I jump out a while ago after I just don't wash the clothes them bridging. So me I go hang them out.
The rain said, no, brother, no, that I go on here so right now. No. Yeah, no, that I go on, mama. But the sun come back out, so I go try my luck again.
So there's a couple things we want to do right now. I'm going to pick up something for my daughter, one of my friends, very, very good friends, high school day friends. She bought my daughter gifts for her birthday. So I'm going to pick up that from her mommy right now. And then we want to go at the car wash. Then we want to go get gas. But I also want to shoot a Kevin tries for the first time. I don't know if the thing where I go to shoot Kevin tries for the first time for is available. I hope it is. I kind of late in the evening, you know. Package received, you know? Alright, I could go try the place, I know. I feel like say, I'm late. Disappointment has struck. The thing I'm gonna forget. It's finished. Hot commodity, you know. So I think I just gotta may I go. How then I can make it? I think I can make it, you know. I think I can make it. But we need to go to the car wash first. So I go to the car wash and then see how much time I have left for like get things going. You can come through and you get a regular light skin, grey skin, yellow skin, or you get a nice black skin. You see me? You pick your choice when you circle the ends, brother. Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? So on one side you can get any type of girl, and then at the front we got a Bible verse. I'm confused and conflicted. That is a Jamaican bar for you. So somebody just pull up a while ago like they never realized the man there, so wait. I want to lay this still, so we're going to make it slide if anything. But they don't talk to the man already, so.
It's a tired people song, only them can sing this one. So, yesterday, you want to shoot, what the thing the name? I can't remember. I wanted to shoot Kevin Tries for the first time with one product, but the product was sold out by the time I got there. I made a think to myself, I could have go home, go make it. But then I see, after I left the car wash, it was too dark out for even bother try. And I even wanted to go to the supermarket and grab something, but it was just too dark out. So I had that in the popping, and now I'm up on the works. You understand? I'm getting to this schmoola. I don't hear me start being like I tired brain, you know. I want to stay everybody jiggy, body blessed. I make your problems get you down, you know. Gotta stay focused and hold your ground. A wise dancehall philosopher once said. I guess we'll have a little talk later on when I'm like back up in my energies, back where it's supposed to be, right? Yeah, because now I got the artist and I'm also tired, so it's like, you know, double trouble if you feel me. Yo! Get that cold beer now. Pass I run off a little start like this way, you see me? God dog, no brother. God puss. Watch dog, no brother. Watch it puss. Meow! Meow! Sick. Sick. Why not do that to your little puss? Why? Rough out here on the cat. I am a lucky treat, you know. You look miserably a frig. I soon got brother. You look like you want back. Oh, hey. On my way home, you know, it was a good day. wasn't a great day, it was a good day, you know. I have to give thanks for that. All things, regardless of the circumstance, give thanks, man.
There isn't much to say, brother. Brother! There isn't much to say, brother. Brother! Brother!
I want to do some filming, some vlogs. I want to do some more vlog, you know. I make the vlog them like more entertaining and everything. But for now, we just really do it for the purpose of just getting back into the groove and getting the content out there, you know. Like I say, I can't call myself a content creator and just not creating a content that make no sense to me. Tomorrow I feel like one of them days that we need to try for. We just have to move earlier and try to shoot the Kevin tries for the first time. I have to go shoot that tomorrow. So after I see that vlog, yeah, no, so now I'm going to get that Kevin tries for the first time. Whenever I listen to like silence it, just listen and then I hear like, it's hard to explain to, but like this, there's just this, them call it like white noise, but it's not really white noise, it's just like a, I don't know, like a high frequency. Not do my ears good, but when you stop and you're there somewhere that's completely silent and you know I move or nothing. That sound.
Anyways, when I got me out there, man.
Yo! Too crazy. Me say if I game time day. I don't want that like a style for you, man. Watch out. Boom! Follow me now, no, man. Post joke. When I studio, we gone. Watch your style now. Too crazy flowing and you know them can't tap it. Something like water. When me touch a track, gonna know me have a shout out. Me like a daughter. If a pussy violate, she are my mother. You know I see it slaughter. Man a ball, pass me the ball. It a fourth quarter. Alright, we out tonight. Shout tonight. Thumb them out. Alright, we got him here, man. Look at more, you see me? Move past.